Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video, or you can say that another video where we will review another worst model of 2025, and the model name is Grok Code Fast 1. Yes, to me this Grok Code Fast 1 is the worst model. Let me show you. Here you see that this is the good design. I have found this design on rebel.com and I simply asked this Grok to design this website, and here you see that I got this kind of worst result, and the same design I have given to this Claude also, but here you see that I have got this kind of cool exactly similar kind of design from this image. Okay, do you know that what is the problem, why Grok was not able to clone this design in their Grok Code Fast 1? I will tell you the exact reason. But before that, if you want to try this Grok Code Fast 1, then there are some free ways that you can do. So first of all, this Cursor also announced that Grok Code is now available in Cursor. It is free for 1 week. So actually I have tried it on Cursor. So if you go to this Cursor, and here you will find this Grok Code Fast 1 in this drop down. Okay, and otherwise if you don't find it, then you can go to this settings, and here on the left hand side you will find this model option, and here you will find this Grok Code Fast 1. Just turn it on and this will be available under this drop down. Okay, now another way is if you go to this kilo code, there also it is available for free, and this is the official announcement. Let me show you. And here you see that we have teamed up with XAI to give you the unlimited free access to Grok Code Fast inside kilo code. Okay, and if you go to this VS Code, there inside this kilo code you will be able to choose this Grok Code Fast 1. Okay, this is the model. Okay, now the thing is that why this Grok Code Fast 1 was unable to clone this design, but Claude was able to do this. The simple thing is this Grok new model, this Grok Code Fast 1, doesn't support the image. And you know that what is the problem? Why we are not getting the exact design? Due to this don't supporting the images. Here you see that doesn't support images. It only supports this prompt caching, but doesn't support the images. And if you go to their official website also, you will find that it supports this 256K context window, and it has some good pricing, $0.20 to $1.5, and also it has function calling ability, structure output, and that reasoning capability also. Okay, but the thing is that if I show you inside this cursor, I have selected this Grok Code Fast 1. Now what I will do that I will go to this design, and let me copy this design as an image, and go to this, and just initialize a new this chat, and selected this model Grok Code Fast 1. Now just paste this, and now if I press enter, you will see a warning here. Here you see trying to submit images without a vision enabled model selected. That means this Grok Code Fast 1 doesn't have that vision capable model, vision capability. Okay. Now, if you want to clone this image or this kind of any design, we just simply provide this kind of image to that model, right? But here, if you don't provide this image, then how will you explain this design to this Grok Code model? It is not possible to generate the exact JSON. Yes, you can generate the JSON from this image, but with that JSON also, if you don't provide the actual image, then the model will not give you the best output. Okay, and simply the thing got replicated here also, as I was not able to provide that design screenshot to this Grok Code Fast 1, so that's why I got this kind of dump output. And here also see that it is getting overlapped, and also it didn't replicate the actual design. But in case of Claude, if you see that it has exactly copied the design. if you see that in case of image, for this user activity, the graph was like this, and this is the Claude generated design, and here you see that the user activity exactly similar to the image. And not only this, here you see that in case of this money flow state chart, this is the chart, and here you see that this is the chart. It exactly kind of copied this design. And also this reward section on the right hand side, this is the reward section, and if you compare it with this one, here you see there a cool reward section, right? Now you will tell me that yes, Claude is charging more than Grok Code, that's why Claude is giving the best output. And my question to you that, do you want to waste your time? If you want to waste your time, then you can definitely go for this Grok Code Fast one model. But I don't have the time to waste for experimenting with the prompt, right? Here in case of Claude, what I have done, if you see, then you will understand. See, first of all, I gave the simple image and some description of that design. And after that, I have got this output. Okay. Now the thing is that when I got some error, then if you see that what I told it, it has done this thing, these things, and that's the point where I gave a image. Here you see that make all color, where is that, make all color according to the image, don't add extra color, make it same as image. And after that I provided this image to this Claude for Force on it, and that's why it was able to look, that image, and it changes that color accordingly inside that Claude. So when Claude generated the first design from that image, there Claude applied some kind of different color for some icons. For this reward box, it made differently. If I can roll back to that previous design, then I hope that you will be able to see it. Okay, so if I just restore to this checkpoint, then I hope you will understand. Yes, see here I have restored my code base to the previous one, and I was getting this kind of design. Okay, here you see that it generated this green and yellow blue color, and this reward section was this, and user activity for the background, it has generated this white color background. But in case of image, it was totally black color, and also the user activity background was black color. And after that I told it that no, in my case I want the exact design like the image, and please see the image. And after that provided this image, and here you see that this is the user activity, please do it. And you see that I got this design now. Okay, see here. So if you don't provide this image, or if you don't suppose you are getting any error, okay, and in that case, if you simply take the snapshot of that error and provide it to that model as an image, then it will solve that error in a great way, right? And in an optimized way. But here in case of Grok 4, Grok Code doesn't have that capability. And also if you see that output also, it is not good. Okay, so I will tell you that don't waste your time. They are charging $0.20 per million one input token and $1.5 per million output token. But ultimately, if you don't get the best output, then what is the reason? Means what is the point of charging so less amount? And my suggestion is you just use this Claude model. You will get definitely a best output. Otherwise, you can try the Gemini 2.5 Pro model also. That model are also best. But for coding, I generally suggest these Claude models. Okay. And not only me, here you see that on this Reddit also some person is saying that they really worked on its performance. Means this Grok Code Fast model, as they have mentioned that this is a fast model. So this model is fast, but uh, here do you see that for the price and speed, it is a great model to implement simple dumb stuff. As I was telling that you will not be able to build some kind of complex stuff, but for simple dumb stuff, this model is best. Okay, and yes, this one, and here you see that still makes dumb mistakes, though would not rely on it too much. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that this video with detailed analysis will be helpful for you. If you found helpful, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video also, and don't forget to watch the other videos also, because I have published many videos for you guys only. These are the interesting and informative video. This memory and AI agent, next new backend framework Moshia, and this Elon Musk's new company MacroHeart. If you watch these videos, you will get enough idea that what is happening in AI. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.